This product's price does change often. Be sure and check out the link down below in the description to see what kind of price you can get for it. Hey guys, Tyler here, and in today's video, we're talking about this Xbox Game Pass Ultimate membership. Now, I ended up buying the digital code from Amazon, and they just delivered it to my email, and so I went ahead and added it to my Xbox, and look at all the games that I now have access to. Now, this list is subject to change. Games come in and out of being available on Game Pass, but you have a ton of options here in Game Pass to play a bunch of different games, and a lot of them allow you to play even on a cloud server. So you don't actually have to download the game. You can just play and get access to it via a cloud service, which is really cool. But tons of games. We got lots of war games. We've got even fun games like Digging a Hole, which was super fun game and I would highly recommend. You've got racing games such as Forza. We've got sports games such as Madden, FIFA, all of those different games on here. A lot of different options. And again, the games are getting switched out here and there occasionally, but occasionally you'll even get new releases. Like some of the newer Call of Duties actually came out on Game Pass, which I thought was a great feature of a Game Pass membership. You can see I'm just quickly scrolling through this list, but there's so many games on here, and I would highly recommend getting Xbox Game Pass. Now, make sure and check out the link down below in the description to get your hands on this product. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.